black-backed gull. So if you've ever seen that film Finding Nemo, those ones going high, high, that's these fellows here. Looking rather amazing today, we have here, thundering down from a height of 80 metres, the Fairy Falls. Next to it, not quite so flash as the Pixie Falls. So Pixie Falls tumbles down from 90 metres, the Fairy Falls is 80 metres tall. So that's twice as high as this boat is long. Because reasons, we're going to go and have a close look at it.
God, babasain tayo.
Ha?
Lalapit dyan.
Bawal mo siya lumapit dyan, sobra.
Sasagad yan pag lalapit. Babasain niya tayo.
Lang. May ano tayo.
Tago mo na cellphone mo. Tago mo na cellphone mo.
Ito, video ko. Ganda. Wow. Yari na.
Lakas ng pressure niya, no? Tago mo nila eh.
Hindi naman, dyan lang yung sa harap. Hindi naman tayo.
Babasay na pa tayo.
Ay, God.
Babasay na tayo.
Babasa. Dali.
Ay! Babasay tayo.